Where are we?
Falafel House.
Full.
Don't put that in there.
Why? We're at Waffle House. Had to stop at Waffle House. We're on the way to the Riverside 50K Link ECU Summer Bash. Jordan's super stoked to get Waffle House. Well, after about an hour of driving around the Airbnb because the cleaners were an hour late, we are now at our first destination to meet up with Ryan and everybody, and we are at IMS, which is Indy Motor Speedway, and we have a tour of the museum. It's pretty cool. I've never been here. Pretty crazy facility. When you drive in, you go under a bridge and stuff, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna meet up with Dave Egan and Josh, Ryan, CMJ, and Forrest. Look who we ran into at IMS. Mr. Ray, Garage Auto Hero, Link ECU.
I'm calling my mom.
We're about to get a private tour.
Trying to get out of this.
This is very cool. This is nuts. These old school Indy's cars are sick. Big old velocity stack and a dump. This is quite the ancient turbo here, and look at the size of that fucking wastegate. Ryan did a fabulous job cleaning this car up for Dave to get ready for competition this weekend.
Oh, you haven't seen this yet either.
No, I haven't. It's good. It looks a lot better than
The inside's done like on the hook brake. I mean, you ever seen the defense?
Coyote Swap Bronco. What do you think, Ray?
They cut the rear fenders.
You didn't like that?
It's worth a quarter of the amount.
The yellow one? Nope. So that one, that is a sold car. It's going to Canada. This one will be.
Gold Star 2.9.
Outside the karting track. There's a bunch of food over at the Speedway Brewery.
Yeah.
We got Will back here, personal tour guide carrying
What's up, man?
And we're gonna do some laps now. See you on the inside.
Because he's not even bungeeing, he's just sliding the whole string.
What's going on, guys? Here we are. We just made it to Riverside. We got Dave and Josh from Drift Games. We got Forrest.
What's up?
What up?
I don't know.
Look at the car.
Don't look at this.
Yeah, here, let's get all close in
Don't
here.
look
He's trying
at
to
it.
hide all
It's
this.
dirty.
We're getting ready to do a private day. Got Dan coming in the Mad Max 240 thing. A little warm out here, but we're gonna have some fun.
So Dave's car is still broken, so I'm taking a ride in Justin's car with name's Cheetah.
Justin Cheetah Medina.
I wonder why.
No cheetah in here.
I like the way you masked the doors off anyway.
Yeah, that was this is my first time ever painting a car, and I had the door panels off and no way to get to them. So I kind of guessed on what I thought was covered by the door panels, and I was wrong. So I got to go back through and kind of touch that up. There's a few other things I need to retouch up.
Sorry to point out that flaw.
Alright, you ready?
Ready as I ever be.
What do you think?
Dude, this thing's good.
Not bad, right?
Not bad, it's fucking awesome. There's a bit of a thing of everyone thinks that S2000s can't drift.
And what do you think? It seems like it drifts pretty easy, right?
I mean, I can say firsthand, they drift pretty good. That was awesome.
All of our problems go away.
Well, the catalytic converters are now definitely got it out of the car. There's all white platinum on the ground. I don't think they're supposed to be white, so that could have been the issue. I don't know. I've never cut the cat out of a drift car before. I've never had one. More of a dog person myself.
Wow. So we're putting all the hopes on this. This is like a last resort.
Oh, this is the last. If this doesn't fix it, then we're in trouble. Once it runs, it's all on me then, and I'm so happy with that.
Working on your V8 muscle car, you take a nice bite out of some fast food. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film over the weekend as much as I would have liked. I was pretty busy crewing for Dave Egan with his Mustang and helping take care of that whole thing. We had a lot of issues over the weekend, so that took up a lot of time and things I planned on filming originally that I didn't get to. Overall, great weekend though. For our first 50K event that we had sponsored, Riverside had done a great job putting on the event, and we are so stoked to hopefully do more of these in the future. I just want to give everybody a big thanks for watching these videos and subscribing and staying along for the journey, and I'll see you guys soon.